Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at the parametric EQ. This EQ can be applied to any of the inputs or the outputs. It comprises of 4 bands. The low bands can either be a bell curve or it can be a high pass or a shelf, and the same with the high band with a low pass and a shelf or bell curve. The middle two are always set to bell curve. You have a high pass filter here on the input channels, which also is the same one that's accessible in the preamp section. This is just an example of a kick EQ that I just did by eye. As you can see, each of the bands corresponds to each colour, and the yellow line is actually the sum of all of these EQs. So for example here, where we've just got a boost, the yellow line, which is what actually the EQ is doing, follows the curve that we've applied. However, over here we've got one going down, one going up, so they've actually counteracted each other. So the yellow line shows that it's not quite going as low as this is going, and it's not going quite as high as this is showing, but the yellow line shows what the actual resulting EQ is. You can change the frequency of each one, you can change the Q of each one, and you can change the gain of each one. You can also do all this on the console from the knobs available in the parametric EQ section when it's selected, the channel selected. Again, you've got a library here to store your common presets and recall them quickly. In the next video, we're going to be looking at the compression.